Hey, my leader. First off, welcome. You've just stepped into something bigger than a community. You've joined a movement of go-getters, dreamers, and world changers. And guess what? You belong here. Now let's cut the formalities. I'm not here to give you a boring lecture. Think of me as your hype woman, your mentor, and your accountability partner, all rolled into one. So grab your favorite drink, get comfy, and let's talk about how UBJ is going to change your life. Wait, who even is UBJ? Glad you asked. We're not just another online group where people post memes and ghost each other, though we do have fun too. UBJ is a family. We're obsessed with growth, personally, professionally, spiritually, you name it. We're tired of seeing potential go to waste, so we're fixing that. We believe in hustle plus heart, because success without purpose is empty. Our mission? To empower you so you can change your life, your community, and eventually the world. Your UBJ blueprint, how we're going to level you up. Step 1, the grind. Fall in love with the process. Success isn't about luck. It's about showing up, even when you don't feel like it. Your challenge, pick one goal, career, fitness, side hustle, and attack it for 30 days straight. No excuses. Your mantra, discipline is greater than motivation. Step 2, the blade. Sharpen your skills. You've got talent. Now, let's make it unstoppable. Your move. What's one skill you've been putting off learning? Coding? Public speaking? Sales? Start today. Pro tip. UBJ has workshops, mentors, and resources. Use them. Step 3, the suit. Dress like the boss you are. First impressions matter. Your confidence starts with how you show up. Quick fix. Even if you work from home, dress like you're running things, because you are. Mindset shift, look good, feel good, win big. Step 4, the crown. Own your success. No more playing small. You're meant for more. Your affirmation. I don't chase opportunities, I attract them. Your action step, celebrate your wins. Yes, even the small ones. Why this works. Spoiler, it's not magic. You might be thinking, okay, but how is this different from all the other self-help stuff out there? Simple. We're not just giving you advice, we're walking with you. Need a mentor? We got you. Need accountability? We're on your back, in the nicest way possible. Need opportunities? We're hooking you up with jobs, networks, and real-world wins. This isn't a solo mission. Your UBJ fam has your back. Your first assignment, don't worry, it's fun. Introduce yourself in the group. Who are you? What's your dream? Let's cheer you on. Pick your first grind goal, 30 days. No quitting. We're watching. With love. Dress the part this week, even if it's just upgrading from pajamas to a clean tee. 80 steps. Last thing, I know starting something new can feel overwhelming. Maybe you're thinking, what if I fail? What if I'm not ready? Here's the truth. Nobody is ever ready. You become ready by doing. So let's go. Your future self is waiting. This is your UBJ mentor, signing off for now. Hit reply and tell me one thing you're committing to this week. I'll hold you to it.